Guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. I hope you guys are enjoying your Friday, whether you're watching this on Friday night, Friday morning, doesn't matter. School is out, you're off of work, you're in the weekend here, and everybody is just ready to just cool off and cool down this weekend. So this video is going to be a get ready type makeup type of thing. I'm not going to do a lot of makeup today. I'm going to be doing like a very kind of natural, kind of like glowy type of look, and I just wanted to just get ready with you guys. And yeah, I love these type of videos because I love getting ready while watching like get ready type of videos. So I hope you guys want to get ready with me. And yeah, let's get started. Let's just talk today. Let's talk. Let's get started. All right, so I'm not gonna do primer today. I don't know why, but I just don't feel like putting on primer, and I guess because I don't have any more primer as well. So yeah, that's that. So I'm just gonna go in with obviously my Maybelline foundation. I'm gonna get some more foundation, but right now, hey girl. So it has been an eventful week. I'm just happy that I've got some videos up and going. I'm really happy that I've been staying consistent on this channel. I feel like I talk about that every time, but you know, who cares? Also, people, I don't know, what do you guys want to talk about? Yeah, how are you guys feeling about the Shane Dawson Jake Paul situation, Jake Paul video? Shane Dawson has been one of my favorite YouTubers since I was like 14, which is, wow, it's crazy that I've been watching him for that long. But I don't know, I'm really proud of like Shane, and just like the Jeffree Star series was my favorite series of all time that he's ever done. And then I don't know how I feel about this, like I don't know, because I'm not really a fan of Jake Paul, but I do love Shane, so I'm watching this for Shane. Because I'm like, obviously, I'm like one of the biggest Shanes. I don't know. Just tell me how you guys feel about it. Let's have a conversation like in the comments, because I really like, I want to make new friends and like talk to people. So if you guys like have any topics that you guys want to talk about, let me know in the comment section below, because I want to do like topic type of videos. I want to do like girl chat or girl talk, or like just less chat type of videos. So if you guys have any like advice or have any topic that you guys want me to talk about, if you guys want to know how I was in like school or anything, ooh, that's a lot, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to do like a story time, or like I don't know, I'll just be happy to do something like that. That'll be really cool to do. And I also want to get to like know you guys a lot better, and you guys get to know me more. And also if you guys want me to do like a Q&A type of video, let me know, or ask me any questions. I'm always like on Twitter or whatever, so, or you guys can ask me on YouTube. Just ask and I shall answer. Okay, so I'm gonna speed this whole me blending up, because I blend for like years and years. So I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild concealer, because I cannot find my Tarte Cosmetic concealer, so I'm going to go in with, which this concealer is really good too, but you know, but I guess I'm not really doing that much makeup today either, so I guess that's good. So yeah, I don't know what to really talk about. I guess talk about like relationships. I've been in 3 relationships, which was in high school. They were all in high school. I'm 22 now and I'm still single. I've talked to guys, but I never really like it never really went further. It would just be like, hey, how are you? What type of guy? And I don't know. I think because I'm so like into guys who are gentlemen and whatever. And I'm like, I don't know, I guess because now some guys just care about like looks. I don't know. But I am looking for a relationship, but I'm not rushing into one. So I don't know. If you guys want like story times about like my relationship, past relationships, or if you guys want me to give you like advice about relationships, then feel free to ask, because I would love to answer. And I don't know, I love giving advice to people. I've always loved doing that. But yeah, give me some topics to talk about in these type of videos, like get ready type of videos, because I never know what to talk about. I never know what to say or do in these type of videos. I don't know why, but yeah. But yeah, I guess back to the Shane Dawson thing. I've been watching Shane, like I said, since I was about 14, so I guess 2010, 2011, that's when I started watching him. And I've always loved his videos. I always thought he was funny. And I always thought like he should have his own like TV show or something. So if Netflix does not give Shane Dawson a TV show, what are you doing? Anyway, I'm not gonna rant about that, because I can rant about that on and on. So I am just literally gonna go natural with this eyeshadow situation. I'm literally just gonna put a neutral in my crease. Alright, so I'm not gonna go too crazy, so I guess that's, I can do a little bit of mascara. What do you guys have plans for this weekend? Let me know. Because I don't know what I'm doing this weekend. I don't know. I plan like a lot of videos, so on weekends. I mean, obviously I hang out and I go out, but give me some topics, or like not topics, but give me some like ideas that you guys want me to do for a YouTube video. Whether that's a type of makeup you want me to do, what type of, if you guys want me to do like a topic talking type of video. I can do like topic Tuesdays, like where you guys give me like some type of topic to talk about, and I can upload that on my vlog channel if you guys want me to do that. I also have like a vlog channel. I don't really have anything up, but I do have a second channel or whatever. And if you guys want me to do like a topic Tuesday on that channel, let me know in the comment section below, because I would love to. And yeah, I can just talk about whatever you guys want me to talk about. And yeah, I can do topic Tuesday. So that sounds like a lot of fun, actually. Give me, like, do that. With a little bit of highlighter, just, and maybe a subtle, natural makeup look, but still gotta get that highlight. Even though I have my days where I'll forget to highlight and I'm not feeling it. So now for lip gloss, I'm going to take the not Ariana Grande. Wow, I'm going to be taking the Rihanna lip gloss and just going about my day. I really love this lip gloss. I feel like it's perfect for a type of everyday look when you don't want to be extra, but you do at the same time. Me. So this is the finishing look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed looking at me, watching me do my makeup. I hope you guys got ready with me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. Like I said, I have a second channel that I can do a Topic Tuesday type of like video where I can do like advice, where you guys get to know me better, where it could be like a real raw type of videos. If you guys want that, let me know in the comment section below, and I will be glad to do that. And also let me know what type of videos you guys want to do on here, if you guys want on here. And yeah, and I could do like topic videos on here too. So if you guys want me to do that, I don't know. I have like a lot of ideas, but I love hearing like other people's ideas. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to like have a discussion with you guys. I love meeting new people and meeting new friends. So yeah, let me know in the let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to this channel, and also let me know on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.